It's great to see how technology and inventive machinery are constantly evolving to aid farmers in their agricultural processes. These innovative machines help enhance productivity, save time, and optimize various aspects of farming. In this video, you will see a brief overview about them. Butternut Squash Harvester. This machine is designed for harvesting acorns, butternut, buttercup, and Hubbard squash. Proper harvesting is crucial to avoid damaging the squash. This harvester streamlines the process, making it more efficient and less labor-intensive. Soil Improvement Machine. This equipment helps prepare the soil for planting. It can improve the soil up to 90 centimeters and may or may not incorporate fertilizers. It aids in removing soil compaction, creating an optimal environment for planting. Apple Harvester. The continuous harvesting method is used here. The machine is equipped with a shaker that operates continuously to gather apples from the trees. Collected fruits are conveyed to a tractor without falling to the ground, reducing fruit damage. RC Barrier with Bed Former Shaper. This professional machine is particularly useful for horticultural companies working in hard soils. It buries stones under the soil to create a perfect soil layer, facilitating farming in challenging conditions. The wood chipper equipped with a powerful engine and a clutch system. The wood chipper can process wood into chips. The output can be used for composting, mulching, or in wood-burning stoves. It's a handy tool for gardeners and lumberjacks. Water Lemon Harvester. This tractor-pulled machine streamlines the water lemon harvesting process, improving efficiency. It aims to maximize worker productivity while preserving the quality of the fruit. Soil Cultivator, rather than drone. This reverse rotational rototiller is a versatile tool. It not only works the soil but also seeds and buries rocks and debris, leaving behind a fine layer of soil. This prepares a perfect seedbed for planting. These machines demonstrate the remarkable advancements in agricultural technology and equipment, making farming more efficient and sustainable. Farmers can significantly benefit from such inventions, saving time, effort, and resources in their agricultural practices.